So welcome again with SS. We were with the fourth commission, we can say, scheme of the government to reduce policy and to help the farmers for their irrigations, their agriculture products and the agriculture work. E-NAM scheme, E-N-A-M-S-C-H-E-M-E. On page number 137, under this program agriculture, market has been set up for farmers in which farmers may get their product listed, online traders may bid for any place. Objective of this farmer is to save farmers from loss faced by them due to mediators, brokers, and they get more remuneration and earn more economic profit due to competition. Thus, such steps should be taken which develop agriculture and yield maximum returns so that farmers remain involved in agriculture businesses. E-trade, as you are now learning with mobiles and these all things, email as you have gone through. E-market is there for farming and farming product, we can say. They can bid, they can, just like of share market it is. So they can earn their profit maximum without any brokerage, any concerned person, giving any commission. So government has done this, has given this scheme for the farmers. And now the second form is that from Gramoday to Bharat Uday again. The second question, I think so rubbed it. Now the second Gramoday to Bharat Uday. Again, the strategy of government, next strategy which are there. Through such programs, farmers oriented plans have been made to prevent loss faced by the farmers due to wild animals damaging the crops. By providing them economic help to build fencing to protect their farms. So, farms and you can say crops. Production of grass for cattle at the time for crisis of drought and to help to construct cattle shelter for rain. Forecasting and discovering mineral-rich regions through the ultra-modern satellite or drone technology. Provision is made to maintain record of land survey. They get help in the form of availability of finance at a low rate of interest for mechanism of farming. Example, to produce tractor and mini tractor, help in the form of subsidy, help in construction of water land, improving quality of plantation crop, computerizing in agriculture. Finance society set up new testing laboratory for production of cotton, pulses, spices management to see that the farmer gets a suitable price, making ponds deep by removing salt from them, increasing drops and size, construction of farm pond, cleaning the canals and reservoirs for water storage and increasing the land settlement of water tank and repairing of the check dams and increasing water storage and increasing the land, check dams and increasing water storage capacity, etc. so that the farmers may get employment during the apart from farming. All the same time, permanent property is set up in the rural area. Thus, central as well as the state government has tried to save farmers from debt by helping them through this scheme from Gramoday to Bharat. A scheme that has been developed by government by helping in every sector field, we can say. In every aspect, government is helping by giving subsidies, by giving tractors, by giving rain group, by giving water tank, by giving check dams, irrigation facility, online portal is there. Many programs are there given on this by satellite. They are on TV, television. They can see. They can go through the radios. Many such ways are there, so that the farmers get the best profit, the best benefit from all these new pesticide, new inventions that are in the field of farming, agriculture, etc. are being given to the farmers. So all type of help, so that the farmer develop, the farming agricultural section of our India develops, and we can get many things through this scheme by government, that is from Gramoday to Bharat Uday. Now the third one is that Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. What is this Gram Jyoti? The Jyoti itself means light, something This planning in the effort of supply electricity to the rural areas without any hindrance, without any disturbance. There is 24/7 day and night providing electricity at homes and farms at concessional rates. Lay down new lines to take the electricity facility of 18,000 villages which do not have electricity. Setting up new electricity substations and helping farmers by providing subsidy to purchase equipment for farming for agriculture sector, so that poor farmers may get a support to increase income. Subsidy is also provided for obtaining electricity through solar energy and to purchase solar technical equipment. So in terms of farming we need water, and in terms of water we need electricity. So to their homes and to the farms too, the government has derived these schemes, that is Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. By this, government gives electricity 24/7 day and night, so that they can use their equipment, so that they can use their pumps and what we can say bore wells and water facility, whatever they need. And for this electrical equipments, many substations are being built by government, and electricity is given in a low rate to them. Even solar system now today is now most dominant, most increasing facility towards the world. That it is said that the next age, the next scenario, the next decade will be of solar. In our houses also, in many in Palanpur, if where we go, most probably Delhi, Bihar, UP, these all states, Punjab, they are using more what we can say solar systems and their products, this etc. So we can understand that government gives 24/7 this all electricity, so that they can develop with their agriculture product, agriculture etc. Now there is for subsidy under the scheme. One Bandhu Kalyan Yojana for all-round development of Adivasis. As you all know that the forest region, the jungle region, the Adivasis are there, and to develop them, what is there? One Bandhu Kalyan Yojana is there for the development, for all-around development of Adivasis. Scheduled tribes, Adivasi women are provided with training and guidance for livestock rearing under comprehensive dairy development equipment scheme. They are being trained, they are given knowledge about the dairy development scheme for the development of creepers, crops in the agriculture and plantation for constructing pavilions, pandals, organic farming, gardening and packaging etc. Samras hostels and Samras ashrams are also established. You all know this Adivasi tribe, this type of scheduled tribe people. They are illiterate, they are living in their own world. So to develop them, because as they are connected to agriculture, as they are living in jungles, you can say forest area, so the women are developed by giving them, they can develop the dairy industry, their own dairy, and apart from trainings are given to develop the creepers and whatever the you can say agriculture product, agriculture system that can give, that can benefit them easily, partly are given to them, and for them ashrams means hostels are also provided and established. Now encouragement to organic farming. What is organic farming? In the helping farmers in registration, paying fees, help in purchasing farm product, arrangement for training and education of farmers, finance at low rate, arrangement for setting up proper market etc. along with environment protection and reduction in the expenditure in agriculture sector are the major objective of this scheme. What does this scheme? Encouragement to organic farming. How to use the equipment, what facilities they will be provided, which type of scheme is going on for a particular period, for a particular time, where they can buy their material, where they can buy that seeds etc. So many schemes, many systems, and many even banks are there, for especially banks for farming, for development of the people, rural peoples are there, for especially farmers are there. So low rate loan, low rate subsidy, whatever the information they need, they get under this scheme. Now Chief Minister Village Road Scheme is there, to go here and there to the means of transport as we all need. today, as we are running on bikes, Activa, buses, cars, etc., etc., etc. So to reach the particular region, and from particular region, a particular village to a particular city, for the means of transport, what is that? Chief Minister Village Road Scheme is that. Under this planning is done regarding work related to roads, village panchayats were had to connect villages with one another through roads and highway programs like construction of toilets are implemented. Apart from in this scheme, road construction and toilet construction both are there. You might have seen the movie Toilet by Akshay Kumar. So how this is needed? Why this is needed? As you all, in terms of health, in terms of time, in means of everything, it is derived. Now it is Ma Annapurna Yojana. What is Ma? Ma means mother, Annapurna, as you all know. Under this program, absolute poor families and people living below poverty line in cities and villages are given 35 kg of food grains per family every month by government, Gujarat government, which is provided free of cost, and the poor people of the middle class are given 5 kg food grains at low rate, in which wheat is given at the cost of 2 rupees per kg, rice 3 rupees per kg at fair price shop. 3.82 crore people who are covered under this scheme get the benefit of food security, because of which a large sum of money spent on food will be saved. The objective behind it is to bring happiness on the face of the people, because they would be spending their savings to purchase other things and improve their of living standard. As you all know that we need wheat for roti, rice we need for khichdi or whatever we make it the basic requirement of food. It is given by the government of Gujarat. Those who are below poverty line, they are given 35 kg per family, and those who are above poverty line but in middle range, they are given 5 kg per person. So this type of facility is provided by the government through food shops, so that they can get their meals, and the other expenditures are just in terms of limited. They can expend some, it comes in a limitation form, and they can enjoy their life. Now, Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Objectives of this scheme is to stop migration of the people from the villages to city. From these members of the parliament, improve education, health employment facilities in the village adopted by them in the constituency. Thus, they set up ideal village. Other than this, to create permanent public assets, to develop opportunities for good life, rural upliftment, taking care of cultural heritage, creating opportunities for employment through social harmony, increase in the human development, etc. As we know, we are electing our member of parliament. So this Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, people, he or she, the person, those who are elected for the member of parliament, they objective of this scheme is to, yes, they used to stop the people from migrating here and there. Apart from, they used to give their provide them facilities like food, shelter, etc. There is a typical fund over there for MP, from the state, from the central government, member of parliament, and apart from there is a fund from a member of legislative assembly to the state government representative. So they help them in different ways. In employment facilities, there if there is a medical requirement, you have to set up a village, you have to set up a small industry, etc. These all things are provided by the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Manrega, superb scheme by Government of India. Yet it is running over successfully in many villages, though there are merits and demerits of this scheme. Let's go through it. Employment oriented Manrega, we will say it Manrega to Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It is. Manrega program has become popular with the slogan "Our village, our work," along with reasonable price. Objective of Manrega is to change livelihood for families or others living in rural areas of state who can do physical labor through unskilled but are willing to work for the purpose. One person from every family is guaranteed wages employment for at least 100 days, 7 hours per day in a financial year. So 100 days of employment is given by the government to the person, one person, one family in the village, 100 days for a particular wages, for a particular work. No doubt he or she not might be a trained person, but some works are there nearby in their own village. It is given by the government so that they can get employment, apart they can get wages, a particular sum of money, 100 days per year. The government has fixed the wages rate according to its pay daily wages. If after asking for work, government fails to provide employment, then as per rule government has to pay unemployment allowance in this work, like work for development of village, construction of personal toilet, the personal wells, work leveling the land plane, horticulture labor work in Indira Awas Yojana, cattle shed, making organic manure, sheds for cocks and goats, yard for drying fish, cleaning of canals, works related to water storage, tree shade for plantation on the road are included. By guaranteeing definite wages-based employment from these to every family, government tries to improve living standard of poor people under this program. So with Manrega, government helps the people of the villages for employment. Even government used to pay them as daily wages. If there is no work, then also government has to pay for the particular person selected over there in this scheme, and for 100 days they are given the wages over there. They used to look after the work done is in the village, the plantations, building of roads, building of shades, many things are covered over there within a village. So next, Mission Mangalam. Through this program, state government has united women from families living below poverty line in Sakhi Mandal of self-helping groups. Here they are given skill-based training so that they may generate employment for themselves through household industry circle and come out of the vicious cycle of poverty by preparing pepper, pickle, agarbatti, incense sticks, etc. So Mission Mangalas gives a Sakhi Mandal, a group of lady organize a mandal over there. They work and help together. They work together, help each other in terms of money, etc. Apart from that, government used to give them training to make some things like papad. Here it is written papad, agarbatti, etc. Small businesses. And you had gone from to the Lijjat papad. You all are eating this papad. This is also a small group. It has been started by a small group with 80 rupees. Now its turnover is in crores and crores rupees. You can understand the crore and crore thousand rupees, and thousand crores rupees like this. The turnover is yearly turnover of this few ladies, group of ladies. So you can understand. We can develop now. Dattopant Thegi Vyaj Sahay Yojana. Through this scheme, government provides loan to artisans of handicraft and handloom cottage industries at low rate of interest to purchase raw material. Dattopant Thegdi Vyaj Sahay Yojana. That it name insists us that it gives a low rate interest loan to the artisan, to the handloom worker, etc. for their development of their own business. Now, Jyoti Gramoday Vikas Yojana. Objective of this plan is to provide self-employment opportunities to the unemployment in the rural areas to increase income and set up industry by giving them economic help and subsidy for establishing industrial plant, implements electricity, land, etc. With the new idea of Startup India, government provides training, free electricity, land and economic help to the unemployment youth who are interested in setting up industry. Jyoti Gramodyog Vikas Yojana. Government helps the poor people to develop by giving loans, subsidy, etc. And with startup program, government helps the innovator. Helps the person in terms of land, field, whatever material, laboratories, equipment, etc. are given by the government for the development of his or her industry. Now, Vajpayee Bankable Yojana. Under the program, sorry, urban and rural unemployment of age 18 to 65 who are educated till 4th standard are given training so that they may set up industry or carry on traditional craft. They are also given finance or fixed amount so that may generate self-employment. 18 to 65 is the age limit here in Bajpai Bankable Yojana. They are given, government suggests to the Jilla Udyog Kendra that they insist the bank to give loan on a low rate of interest. Through Agro Business Policy 2016, state government has implemented plan to provide employment to 10 lakh people by setting up agro food processing unit along with helping in export of processed food products so that poverty may be reduced. So for development of traditional craft, we can say for traditional business, yeah, any particular type of business, you can do business by taking loan of computer business. Also we can do many businesses, small scale business we can also do by this Yojana. We have to approach it in the Jilla Udyog Kendra. Then they used to permit us by going through this thing. They used to ensure the bank, and the bank will give us loan with a subsidy, and we can establish a good business over there. Now, another main point, as we have gone through, that governments provide us lots and lots of things, lots and lots of schemes are there by the government. As we don't know, as maximum majority of people in India, they don't know about the government schemes. Some of the schemes are indicated here in your book. Even you all are not interested in this thing. Obviously, you are in 10th standard. And as a part of your just learning, you will go through with these schemes. But these schemes, deep knowledge of these schemes can help you in future to develop your own business, own fields, etc. Recently, topper of before 2 years or 3 years, topper of Indian Institute of Management, a boy, I would like to say a student or a boy, he refused package of 10 crore rupees, salary per month 10 crore he refused. You can understand that a topper of Indian Institute of Management, he refused the package of 10 crore rupees per month, salary base I am saying, given by a foreign country, a industry, a company of foreign. He refused that post. He told, no, I want to do farming. I am top. He went for it, farming. The fourth one, from 1 to 4, the fourth one from IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, a boy, he refused the package of 4 crore rupees, Indian Institute of Technology. To get admission after your graduation, you have to work at least 10 to 15 hours per day for 1 year, 1.5 years. Then and then only if you pass the exam, you will get admission in this, and when you clear, your life will be a golden life. You can just imagine 4 crores per month. Who will give this salary to you? Yeah, which business will give you 4 crore rupees total profit to you? Though he refused and he started business. Which business you know? Washing of shoes. He brought some machinery, he went into laundry business. And that laundry business doesn't mean that clothes are washed over there. For washing of your shoes. So you can understand some great students are there that they want to develop themselves, and this all is implemented in these all schemes. If you will go to government, many schemes are there, but nobody knows about this scheme of government. And if the students like you will think this as a part of study and boring this thing, but this is not boring. This all thing helps you in future. As I was not aware of this scheme, but due to my invention, due to my project, I came to know about these schemes. I am selected in startup. I would get better if God graces and you all graces, but are the essential thing. So till this we have gone through the poverty, about poverty, what is poverty, how government is implementing poverty to ruin poverty from India, as they have promised the World Bank that till 2030 there will be no poverty in India, and for that government is implementing lots and lots of schemes that we had gone through these all schemes to develop the not only to the villagers, to urban people also. We can also apply for that, we can also implement these all schemes and get the maximum benefit, and from you anybody can become a great businessman if you want to like that. Our next session will be of unemployment. Why unemployment is in India the devil of unemployment that is on the head of each and every citizen in India. Everyone is frustrated, everyone is depressed, and in this particular situation, in this time of coronavirus, why they are facing. This will be continuing in our next chapter, next topic of chapter 17, unemployment. Till that, thank you very much.